For the best dumpster rental in Flat Rock, North Carolina, trust Rock Creek Containers to deliver precisely what you need for any project. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing construction debris, or just doing a major cleanout, our dumpsters are the perfect solution for keeping your site clean and organized. Our reliable delivery and pickup service is designed to keep your project on track without hassles. Select the dumpster size you require, and we'll handle the rest. At Rock Creek Containers, we are committed to providing exceptional service. We offer competitive pricing and high-quality containers to meet the demands of your specific project. Every dumpster is carefully prepared, ensuring it arrives at your site clean and ready to use, aligning with our high service and customer satisfaction standards. Committed to the community and the environment, we practice eco-friendly disposal methods to minimize waste and maximize recycling. Don't let waste management stress you out. Contact Rock Creek Containers today at 828-692-9017. Our knowledgeable team is here to help you choose the right dumpster and answer any questions. Or visit our easy-to-navigate website, www.rockcreekcontainers.com Dumpster Rental Flat Rock NC, to plan and reserve your dumpster. It's quick, efficient, and accessible 24/7. Rock Creek Containers, your first choice for dumpster rental in Flat Rock, North Carolina. Reliable, affordable, and always ready to assist.